Hello everyone, welcome to Bro Experts channel. In this video we are going to see how we can delete internet history from our Safari browsers. So here we are going to open Safari browser first, and then we will open different websites to generate some history. Here we have opened a few different tabs, and as you can see, now we have history here in the browser. Now we'll see how we can delete this. Now we will go and open the settings first. Here we open the settings, and now we are in the settings. We'll scroll it down and find the Safari settings. Here is the Safari settings. Now we'll scroll it down. Here we can see clear history and website data. We'll tap on it and then tap on clear history and data. So this way we can delete the browsing history in our Safari browsers. And I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and if you have any questions, you can post in the comments. Thanks for watching the video.